when the advocate says that they said Njeri is immobile, he says that she's unwell and immobile. Someone who is immobile believe that must be treated, maybe hospitalized. Do you have any supporting documents to support that she's unwell, or even a medical sheet to indicate that she was attended to by this particular doctor who recommended that she could not attend to this particular committee, or just a mere letter from the advocate? Perhaps you shed light on that, because you only read the letter.
As far as I am concerned, I think she's a joyrider. A different opinion, Chair. I would also think that it is good we also invite the KPA senior staffs to come and tell us the type of documents they have, whether genuine or whatever they may be. Senior members of KPA.
On matter security, I think Njeri did not mention, through the lawyer, any issue to do with security in this letter. She talks about immobility. And in any case, the committee is aware that Njeri went to the DCI on her own. She left, she even did press conferences, and she has not needed any further security to move to all those places, even do press conferences.